finding tools like Rilla to increase our closing percentages is exactly what we've set out to do. We have been able to increase our average tickets. We've definitely had an increase, probably, I'd say at least 5 or 10 points from the beginning of the year on our closing percentages.
So my name is Larry Gebhardt. I'm the president of Ridgetop Exteriors. We mainly do home exteriors, roofing, siding, windows, and gutters. We knew that we needed to control what was going on at the kitchen table more. Some reps are doing an outstanding job. Some were performing not so well. So we knew with listening to these presentations, we could start getting more consistency with our sales rep. And with Rilla, we can really dive into those, and it's almost like we're at the ride along.
If you use it correctly, it can benefit you tremendously. And so I think part of using it correctly is share visibility company-wide with the rest of the staff on do's and don'ts while in the home with a potential customer.
It's a force multiplier. I can listen to every appointment that was ran last week, maybe in a condensed version or just using AI, get to the meat and potatoes of it, if you would. And if I've got, let's say, 10 reps out there running 3 leads a day, that's 30 individual appointments that at least I can get a overview of them. There's no way I could run 30 leads in a day with 30 different reps. Physically impossible.
We're going to operate around 15,000 leads this year, and our goal was to increase our closing percentage by 10%. And 10% is 1,500 deals, and our average ticket's about $10,000. So we're looking at about $15 million in sales. And then a majority of that we can point to them because it's allowed us to improve our process from training to the rep to management and coaching. I would recommend Rilla Voice, not to any of my immediate competition because I don't want them to improve that much. Just kidding. No, I would highly recommend it. If you truly want to know what's going on at the kitchen table, you truly want to know how to get better as a company, I would highly recommend Rilla.